Okay guys, la bona lona ke eno o nwa jwala ka o tshwere snepe sa Lekhanyane. Yane wa ZCC e bang ke modimo. Ha re bona di-comment. O ntseng sharp a nne worse. So taba tse ngata monana motho a ba mo tshepisa ho tlo hlanya. I'm sure he's mad. So culture ya ZCC e tshepisa batho ho hlanya. Le Jesu be in the Bible was never against alcohol, but people came with their own rules and see alcohol as a sin. Yeah, alcohol somewhere it's a sin, depending on how we know jwang or we know like I. If you know alcohol inside a church, it's a sin. If you know alcohol as a leader, it's a sin. Oh, there's nothing wrong. He should add a cigarette. People, at least people are awake from believing this man has power. Yeah. Wa loya mtheo o ska wa etsa ntho e motho a entseng o sena ntho e tshepileng. Wa loya mtheo wa go loya a few moments later. He just put a photo, nothing wrong. That photo is not God. Yeah, motho wa se modimo. He's playing with fire. Ocho motho wa ZCC wa loya. If batho ba mo sabatše. That was so unnecessary. This is not funny. Okay. Yeah, if batho ba ZCC ba nne ka reng ke modimo ha ke tlo ba lwantsha mara if ba nne ka reng ha ba tlo ipitsa e ka reng ke Christian Church, Zion Christian Church. They are not. That is Zion Lekhanyane Church, ZLC. So you are so blessed cause you are what you demonstrated. Okay, fuck you, bro. Happy weekend this skin. One joke was English. Yeah, but how can ma you'll regret this? Why? I don't know. And like a honali fiena le taiwa masipa nusias. Tawazip. And like what you got on into by Tawang Haritla ka Karikina. Not a threat. I get about what to swaki ma. There is a threat aspect to it. Even if I'm a Muslim. If you guys are welcome to Muhammad, go bolai. Drink your beer and leave him out of your desperate life. Yeah, if calculus, scala lang kuka hampi, calculus, if you look at and no believe and trade believer, I go run some, yeah. But if you are a Christian church, this is not a Christian church. It's a cult according to Christianity. But if you say, I believe this and I know it's not a Christian thing, and that's you, and I could do whatever you like. According to some people, the guy must respect a photo that they bought. Religion is a joke. I'm not going to entertain such a comment that the atheist. So, a madness around the corner. Okay? Yeah. This guy got tower. And that coffee is what you know. When I let him say Mimi guy, he actually commented that. Now you are mama. Yeah, TikTok. That would be 93. 88 laugh. You die. You die. Come on. You echo. Sorry, guys. Yeah, come. Okay, yeah, but Michael, I was drinking tea in that bottle. He's drinking tea, no ways. You gotta get some man. What if you not be into there? You are right. You. I want. I'm trying to you. I say. What you Bushir? Okay, it's a lot of Bushir. Booster Masi, but what I can like about the Booster Masi, Jesus. Sirasa or he a feta case closed. Then you wonder why them go crazy. Okay, what's your motor? What's again to buy sour? And the again to mouth and a wee boon. So I got or reborn also you nayas and yeah, into it, you lose your mind. So people who lose their mind, they just don't see it like they are dead. Most is just a normal bishop, like nothing special. Hey, Motora is laughing if according to the Bible, but if according to them cult, yeah, on God I swear. He's just a normal person. Why would I'm game the usual. Irritating, lack of disrespect and boring. Yeah, people joining the cult here. I'm not ZCC member. What if a person at Kalaka, I'm not a ZCC member? What they were they are ZCC members. But this guy is immature and disappointing. This is hypocrisy. Higher, stop judging others. Hanam tajaja moon. The person who posted be regant. Yeah, this is member. You're gonna try. If you're not the C, why are you offended? Meaning that you are a member. Hey, what this is? What this? Sunu ya kulubito. Bedroom. No more. Joey. Haikwa.